Every time I start the fucking camera, he stops. Ugh.
Now summon your sorcerer or take my merchandise elsewhere.
And what would a Lord Sith expect in return for her merchandise?